In this video, I'll show you how to cancel digital orders on Amazon. So we have two options here. If option 1 doesn't work, we have to contact support. That is unfortunately option 2. So the first thing that we want to do is obviously be signed into amazon.com, .co.za, UK, whatever. Go to account and lists, then go to your orders. I don't have any orders, but you will see digital orders or all of your orders over here. And next to your order on the right should be cancel. If it's not there, you have to contact support. There's no two ways about it. So what you need to do, go to customer service on the top left. Two ways to go here. You can go to a delivery order. I have none, so I can't pick any here. But if you want to get straight to support, click on something else. Click on delivery cost, times, and methods. Click on I need more help. And here is the golden goose, request a call now. That way you can speak to an actual human. You can also go with start chatting now. And then you can just explain the situation. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.